Good morning guys, my name is Shailendra and in this video we are going to talk about what is .NET MAUI, and in this video series we are going to talk about basics. So .NET MAUI is a multi-platform framework for creating native desktop and mobile application with C#. .NET MAUI is an acronym for Multi-Platform Application User Interface. Using .NET MAUI we can create mobile apps that can run on Windows, Android, iOS, iPadOS and macOS. So you see, you can use .NET MAUI for various type of application. You will create a single code base and that can be used for different kind of apps, basically mobile apps. The main objective or the main purpose of the .NET MAUI is to simplify multi-platform application development. Using .NET MAUI, you create multi-platform apps in a single project. Additionally, you can add platform-specific source code and resources if necessary. The key aim of .NET MAUI is to enable you to implement as much of your application logic and UI layout as possible in a single code base. Now, what is the .NET MAUI technology stack? So, before talking about .NET MAUI, let's talk about .NET. So .NET provides you a series of platform-specific frameworks for creating applications like .NET for Android, .NET for iOS and iPadOS, .NET for Mac and WinUI 3 leveraging the Windows App SDK. These frameworks all have access to the same .NET 6 base class library, which is called BCL. So this library provides the functionality for creating and managing resources and for generally abstracting the details of underlying device away from your code. The BCL depends on .NET Runtime to provide the execution environment for your code. For Android, iOS, macOS, the environment is implemented by Mono, an open source implementation of .NET Runtime. On Windows, Win32 performs the same role, except it's optimized for the Windows platform. Now, what is .NET MAUI architecture? So, .NET MAUI provides a single framework for building the UIs for mobile and desktop applications. You create the UI using this framework indicated by arrow 1 on the left hand side in the diagram. And .NET MAUI takes care of converting it to the appropriate platform represented by arrow 2. There may be times when you need to implement a platform-specific feature. In these situations, you can invoke methods in the platform-specific frameworks as highlighted by arrow 3 in the same diagram. Now, how does .NET MAUI work? So .NET MAUI abstracts the implementation of UI element from its logical description. You can describe the UI using XML. It is a platform-neutral language based on XML. For example, the XML fragments below shows the description of a button control. You can see in the button XML we have properties, events defined. On the right hand side, you can see how those controls are going to be handled and how those actions over the controls are going to be handled via MAUI. So what .NET MAUI features? So .NET MAUI provides an elaborate layout engine for designing pages, multiple page type for creating rich navigation types like drawers, support for data binding, for more elegant and maintainable development patterns, the ability to create custom handlers to enhance the way in which UI elements are presented, access to native APIs directly as an abstraction of many common needs of mobile and desktop apps that are separated from the UI. The Essentials library enables an app to access things like the GPS, the accelerometer, the battery, and the network states. There are dozens of sensors and services common to mobile development also available through this library. So, this is all .NET MAUI offers. There are several things which we can discuss in upcoming videos. So please subscribe this channel and like this video. That's all from my side for this video. Thank you. Have a good day.